Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video for you guys. I just bought a bunch of decorative things from all over the place. I got from SM, Gourdo'S, Amazon, so that's everything I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell, comment on this video, like this video, and all that good stuff. Let's start it off with all the stuff I got from Gourdo'S. So this is the first one. I know, they're pretty huge. This is the swinging terrarium from the brand Circleware. It is a teardrop shaped hanging glass terrarium with a glass stand. So I actually got two of these. That was fairly successful. There we go. This is how it looks like. It's actually really swinging on its own, so I guess it works. I got this one because it's such a beautiful decorative piece. I mean, it's glass, it's gold, it's very modern, and that's really my style, so I am super loving this one. This is actually used for plants, so as you can see right here, there's an opening. I'm super not into plants. They just die. I actually had a cactus before and it died. So no, I will not be using this for plants, but maybe I'll put some cute little trinkets in there. I don't know, I haven't really decided how I'm gonna use this, but I just know that this is beautiful and I like it, so I got it. The terrarium comes in different sizes, so I got two of the medium-sized ones. So this one actually retails for 730 pesos each, but they were on sale, so I got 50% off. So I got this medium-sized swinging terrarium for just 365 pesos, which I think is such a steal considering it's such a beautiful piece and it's actually really big. I also got the smaller sized one, so this one actually retails for 660 pesos, but it was also on sale, so I got 50% off, so I just bought this for 330 pesos. I also got these two hep terrariums. They just looked so modern and beautiful to me, so I just had to get them. I actually have no idea what I'm gonna do with all of this. I'm just gonna figure it out as I go along, but I just really like the whole look of this. It looks so modern. It's a mix of glass and metal, and I think it's just such a beautiful decorative thing. The shape of these really interested me because at first I thought it was just a cube, but the closer I looked at it, I found these triangle things on one end, which I think makes it look really cool, and I can also make it stand on that end, or I can also make it stand like a cube, if that makes sense. So I just thought that was like a really cool option to have, especially if you're decorating a room. I just think that these would make it interesting, but in a simple way, if that makes sense. This one also comes in different sizes, so I got two sizes. So I have the smallest one right here, and I got two of the medium ones. The smaller one retails for 320 pesos, and of course it was on sale, so I got it at 50% off, so that's just 160 pesos for this really cute terrarium. These medium-sized ones retail for 370 pesos, but of course it was on sale at 50% off, so that's 185 pesos each. Next up is this adorable little plate thing, and it has this beautiful rose gold cat right in the center. I'm actually not exactly sure what this is supposed to be used for, but when I first saw it, I just thought of using it to hold my jewelry. I mean, I can put my necklaces down here, I could hang my rings over here, I could hang more stuff over here. That's just what I imagined when I first saw it. I was actually pleasantly surprised when I found this one in the SM department store because they don't usually have a lot of rose gold or gold pieces, so I was so excited that I found this. This one comes in different shapes and sizes. I saw a fox, I saw a deer, there was even a cactus, but I went with this one because I just think it's the cutest looking one. This one retails for 249 pesos and 75 cents. Now the last thing I got, I actually ordered it off Amazon, and this is it right here. This is the North Point light box with letters and numbers tiles. So this one comes in 109 letters, numbers, and symbols, and it has 10 LED lights. This is how it looks like. So it has the on and off switch right there, and it even comes with all of the letters and the symbols. I am so super excited to use this because this is actually one of those things that I've always wanted to own, but I just never found the perfect one. And this one, I mean, look at this. It's just the perfect size. It's not too small, it's not too big, it's not too heavy, and I can't believe I found it on Amazon of all places. This one was actually surprisingly affordable. It was just $17, so that's about 700-800 pesos, and I think it's really great because when I went to Typo and I saw something like this, I found it really expensive. It was around 3,000 pesos, which I think is crazy. Like, that's a crazy price to pay for something like this. So when I saw this on Amazon for $17, I ended up getting 2. So I ordered 2 of these, you know, just in case this one breaks, then at least I have a backup one. So when I saw this one on Amazon, I just jumped at the chance of ordering it, and it was also free shipping, so that was a good plus, and then I just took it home with me to the Philippines. Those are all the decorative things I wanted to show you guys today, and honestly, I'm actually not quite sure what I'm going to be doing with most of these things, but you know, that's the fun in decorating. You can experiment, you can play around with it, and I'm so excited to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.